Investors are bracing for a bumpy ride this week after China devalued its currency several times last week. Here to talk about China's big moves and what it means moving forward is Jordan Goodman, editor at moneyanswers.com. Jordan, good to see you.
Yep.
You just got back from 2 weeks in China. Why are they doing all of this right now?
The economy is slowing down. The official growth rate is 7%, but people are saying it's not really that at all. So they're trying to stimulate their economy by devaluing their currency in a surprise move. They're making it cheaper for people to buy Chinese goods. They're a big exporting country. That's going to hurt Americans who are trying to sell into China.
Not the first time that China's been accused of manipulating its currency. They're also, though, they just dealt with this stock market plunge as well.
I was at the Shanghai Stock Exchange where it had gone down about 30%. A lot of individuals are into the stock market there on margin, borrowing a lot, and they were really very, very upset by that. So they did a dramatic rescue where they basically said you can't sell and you have to buy. So they're trying to do the same thing with the economy they just did with the stock market.
And here's the worldwide impact. So 44% of iPhone sales are in China. 79% of Buick sales are in China. This is not just the market. This is plenty of goods.
So one of the reasons those companies have been down is the fear that if that growth isn't going to be there, Apple being a good example, if the people, because of the currency change, iPhones are going to get more expensive and Chinese knockoffs are going to get cheaper, then maybe people will not buy as many iPhones. So that hurt Apple stock this last week. That's one of the reasons the stock market here has been so volatile, is the concern that American companies are going to sell less in China with that devalued currency.
And this is also commodities and oil specifically.
Big time, big time. So this last week, oil went down to $41 a barrel, which is the lowest in 6 years. You're going to see that at the gas pump here. Thank the Chinese for your lower gas prices. But across the board, commodities like coal and cotton and wheat and all these things are going down dramatically. I think they're going to go down further. I think we could see oil into the 30s because of the slowdown in China.
Wow, Jordan Goodman, thanks very much.
Thank you, Jeff.